An understanding of the events which happened over the last 20 years leading up to the creation of the current financial regulatory regime helps to clarify why it's been configured as it has. The previous regime, the tripartite system, successfully addressed one set of problems. It provided a streamlined and unified regulatory system based on a system of principles and high-level rules. The Financial Services Authority took responsibility for the supervision of banks, while the Bank of England focused on inflation and monetary policy. Within this regime, to provide a positive and light-touch environment, banks were given considerable leeway in determining how in practice they would deliver commercial success and growth, and deliver they did. In the UK, by 2007, the banking sector was a runaway success, underpinning the country's strong economic performance in that period. It was success bought at great cost, however. From 2007 on, it became abundantly clear that not only had the banking system behaved imprudently in terms of risk, banks' conduct towards customers had often also been disastrously poor. What the banks and regulators had failed to recognise was that the financial system as a whole was increasingly sacrificing prudence and good conduct for commercial gain, while, at the same time, becoming fatally interrelated and, ultimately, vulnerable. The failure of one part of the system would lead inevitably to the failure of the whole. A disaster was waiting to happen. When the subprime mortgage problem appeared in 2007, the crisis it triggered shook the very fabric of our economic and social system. From this chastening experience, the lessons learned have helped to shape and underpin the structure and basis of a new regulatory regime created in the UK in 2013. And, as we're often told, if we learn from history, at the very least, we may avoid repeating it.